Yo, my makeup looks bomb today. Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming.
Yes, we are filming. Yes,
Today we are filming my go-to spring tutorial, makeup tutorial. Yeah, without that further ado, let's get started. I feel like I'm in an abandoned area and all I have is a couch. Let me just say, I brought a lot of things for it to be my go-to, but for today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350M palette. I've been saying 350 and it's 35OM. That's an O, that's not a 0, and I've been saying since I got this palette 350. Did you guys know about this and you guys didn't tell me? Wow. Okay, 35OM palette. For a natural look, I like to go with a nice neutral color that matches the lid of my eye, or like to brighten my eye area. I always go for like a yellowish tone, or like I mix them together. First, I'm gonna prime my eyes, which I prime my eyes with concealer. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna put it on to set my whole eye. Now I'm gonna go in with this yellow color, and I'm gonna put it on top. As you guys can see, I look like a mess because I'm baking. 1, 2, I put some mascara for the day. If the night comes and I bring some falsies with me and I'm going out or something, I apply my falsies. So I'm gonna put them now, believing that it's night, which is not.
You always need that dramatic look.
For a pop of color, I like to go, usually I like to take like colorful, like blue, like this blue here. Now I'm gonna go in with this color from, by the way, this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna put this on my inner corners. You wanna see this? Let's zoom this in so you can see that pop. As soon as I apply it, like, goodbye. Today I'm trying a first impression on this. This is from Colorina Makeup Studio. This is the Contour and Define Powder. And when you open it, this is how it looks. Now, definitely not using this one. It looks too reddish. I'm gonna try this color right here. I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's like a little dense, but you know, I'm gonna work it light, very light, so that it doesn't happen like the other time. I'm gonna go with a peachy color. I think I'm gonna go with this one, these, and this one. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is like my go-to every single time I'm like going out or something, like run errands or something, and I want to look presentable. I will do this. And since it's spring, you know, I always go for a pop of color. I always use either pinks or blues or purples, and I really like it. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know for more spring tutorials or something, like video ideas, in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to look for them and put them on my video planner. I will see you guys on my next video. There goes the noise.